नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कॉम्प्युटरचे मोस्टली यूज ॲब्रिव्हिएशन बघणार आहोत. तर चला स्टार्ट करूया. CC कार्बन कॉपी. ISP स्टँड फॉर इंटरनेट सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर. EDC स्टँड फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल कम्प्युटर. RAM रँडम ॲक्सेस मेमरी. NOS नेटवर्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टीम. CPU सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग युनिट. DVR स्टँड फॉर डिजिटल व्हिडिओ रेकॉर्डर. CD stand for compact disc. BCD stand for binary coded decimal. HTML stand for BHTML stand for broadcast hypertext markup language. LAN stand for local area network. WAN stand for wide area network. BMP stand for bitmap. AC stand for alternative current. BCC stand for blind carbon copy. ABCDIC stand for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. WWW stand for World Wide Web. XMF stand for Extensible Music File. AAC stand for Advanced Audio Coding. B2B stand for Business to Business. DNS stand for Domain Name System. APT stand for Automatically Programmed Tooling. ATM stand for Asynchronous Transfer Mode. Computer stand for Commonly Operated Machine, particularly used for technical education and research. TXT stand for Text. TAPI stand for Telephony Application Programming Interface. UMTS stand for Universal Mobile Telecommunication. URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator. UHF stand for Ultra High Frequency. USB stand for Universal Serial Bus. UNIVAC UANIVAC stand for Universal Non-Integrated Vacuum Actuated Computer. UPS stand for Uninterruptible Power Supply. UI stand for User Interface. WAN stand for Value Added Network. VAN stand for Value Added Network. VDU stand for Visual Display Unit. VIRUS stand for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. VCD stand for Video Compact Disc. VHF stand for Very High Frequency. VGA stand for Video Graphics Array. Video stand for Video Visual Graphics Adapter. VoIP Voice over Internet Protocol. VRAM Video Random Access Memory. VPM Virtual Private Network. VRML means stand for Virtual Reality Modeling Language. WAN stand for Wide Area Network. WAN stand for Wide Area Network. WAP stand for Wireless Application Protocol. WORM Write Once, Read More. EPROM stand for Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. EEPROM Electrical Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. Email stand for Electronic Mail. EFS stand for Encrypted File System. DOC stand for Data Optimizing Computer. FDC stand for Floppy Disk Controller. FDD stand for Floppy Disk Drive. Info stand for Information. FS is a short form of File System. FAT stand for File Allocation Table. FPS Frame per Second. FLOPS Floating Point Operation per Second. FM stand for Frequency Modulation. GB stand for Gigabytes. GIF Graphics Interchangeable Format. GDI graphical device interface. GUI, graphical user interface. EDVAC stand for electronics discrete variable automatic compute. GML stand for geographic markup language. GSM stand for global system for mobile communication. GHz stand for gigahertz. GIGO garbage in garbage out. HDMI stand for high definition multimedia interface. STTP stand for hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS stand for hypertext transfer protocol secure. ENIAC ENIAC stand for electronics numerical integrator and calculator. IO stand for input output. HTML stand for hypertext markup language. IPv4 stand for internet protocol version 4. DRAM stand for dynamic random access memory. HTML stand for hypertext markup language. DML stand for data manipulation language. CAD stand for computer aided design. CDMA stand for code division multiple access. CDRW compact disk rewritable. CISC complex instruction set computer. COBOL stand for common business oriented language. DVDR stand for digital versatile disk recordable. DVDRW stand for digital versatile disk rewritable. DARPANET stand for Defense Advanced Research Project Agency Network. AOL stand for America Online. CSS stand for Cascading Style Sheet. CUI stand for Character User Interface. DAT stand for Digital Audio Tape. CAM stand for Computer Aided Manufacturing. ALE stand for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. CROM Computerized Range of Motion. CD-ROM stand for Compact Disk Read Only Memory. CMD stand for Command. DDR stand for Double Data Rate.